everyone, welcome to Have a Good Life channel. Today we are going to make a vegan cheese, like a feta cheese. So if you love cheese but you want to do some vegan version, come with me. And this is it. This is our vegan cheese. It's ready. It's so easy to do and it's very, very delicious. If you are a cheesy lover, I believe you're gonna love it. So you can enjoy this vegan cheese with bread, with toasts, with a salad. It's very rich, very delicious, and so easy to do. I hope you enjoy, guys. If you like this recipe and this video, please thumbs up. It really matters to us. It's a good way to support our channel too. Thank you so much for being there and see you next week. Have a good life. Let's try it. So good. If you love cheese, you're gonna love this. So nice.